to make the filtering easier. In cell C2, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and under Allow, choose List. For the source, click the arrow and go to the list sheet, where your data is stored. Select the department column, press Enter, and click OK. Now, we have a drop-down list for the department. Next, for the position, we need to make sure that when you select a department, only the positions under that department appear. To do this, we'll create a helper column. You can place this anywhere you like. In my case, I'll put it in column G. Apply this formula, type equals, then unique, then filter. For the array, go to the list sheet and select the position column. Type a comma. For the include part, include the department column, then type equals. Go to the data sheet and click cell C2, where the department value located. Close the formula and press Enter. Now, as you can see, only the positions under the IT department appear here. If you select a different department, only the positions under that department will show. To apply this to cell C3, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List, and for the source, select the helper column we created. Click OK. Now, whatever department you choose, only the positions under that department will appear. You now have independent drop-down lists for department and position. You can hide the helper column if you want. Next, let's pull the data from the list sheet based on the department and position. In cell B6, type an equals sign. Next, type if error and open a parenthesis. This function checks your formula for any errors. If the inside formula works, it will show the result. But if the formula returns an error, for example, if no data is found, if error lets you display a custom message instead. Inside, if error, type filter. This will return a dynamic list of rows that meet your criteria. For the array, go to the list sheet and select the full data range you want to return. Next, type a comma, open a parenthesis, then include the department column and match it to cell C2, where the department is selected. Close the parenthesis. Now, we need to add a second condition for the position by typing an asterisk. This means both conditions must be true for the row to be included. Then, type is blank. This checks if you left the position blank. If it's blank, it returns true, which means the condition passes for all rows. Then type a plus sign. This works like an OR. So if either part is true, the whole condition is true. If you did type a position, then only rows where the position matches will pass. Open a parenthesis, go to the list sheet, select the position column, and match it to cell C3 where the position is selected. Close the formula by typing 3 closing parentheses. Type a comma, then add the value to return if no match is found, in this case, not found. And press Enter. Now, all rows for the sales department with the sales coordinator position appear. If you choose another position, only that position under the selected department will show. Delete the position and you'll see all positions under the sales department again. Let's select another department, then select a position under the HR department. There you go. That's it. That's how to create a dynamic filter with multiple conditions in Microsoft Excel. This is really useful when you have multiple conditions for searching your data. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorials.